United Democratic Party kalapan kre menta ban Jied no do nong Ïalam ba Thymmai ban shimti ya kashuki General Secretary hadin kajing e no Dr. Jamino Mautho ya kakam. Habakren bat kilat pathai Khubor u President ka party u ba met ba lingdo ulai thu ba shen kin sa Jied no ya General Secretary ba Thymmai la kumno menta u banai jeliu lani habasdang jong banai naitung. Ulo ong ru kumba kalong menta ka Europe na ka wake election ka yai beteng ban nang bon ka jingdon kinong mi khamat pai pa bat kani ka pen I ba ka party ka beteng ban nang kiu arte.
That the next CEC will sit and discuss about this resignation of not resignation basically to elect the new General Secretary of the party. Yeah, we have accepted, I should say. We have accepted, yes. The next CEC, in fact, we have a plan for this month end. But if not, perhaps maybe sometime in the first week of July. There's nothing to hurry about that also. But as a party, we should have GS, new GS. You know, from one election to another election, from one MLA election to another MLA election, we were growing, no doubt about it, and we are walking in that same line, and we will still continue to walk.